Have you just moved to Italy? You have found a job or you are looking for one in this country? Or you just want to open a new business? Well, I'm sure that you ask yourself at least once how much taxes I'm going to pay. Due to the complex rules and the language barrier, you might have been through some trouble, especially understanding how the Italian tax system works. Well, in this video, I will simplify some basic concepts.
So let's check now how the tax on individuals' income works. So the tax on individuals' income in Italy is called IRPEF, or pronounced IRPEF, which stands for Imposta sul reddito delle persone fisiche. Let's see how it works. So you see, you normally have the gross income, and this is coming from any kind of income. And from the gross income, we subtract the social contribution for your pension. And after that, we have deductions. Sometimes we have deduction because we give some money for charity. And in Italian, this word is called deduzioni. And after this subtract, we have the imposable income. The imposable income is what we multiply for the average IRPEF percentage in order to obtain the gross IRPEF. In Italy, in 2020, the brackets are from 0 to 50,000 euro, 23%, between 15,000 and 28,000 euro, 27%, up to 43% when you have an income of 75,000 euro. Let's imagine to have 30,000 euro income as an example, and this basically is our imposable income. So 30,000 euro fall into these brackets, 28,000 and 55,000 euro. So we might reach this 38%, but the calculation is done in this way. Maybe you have seen it already because it's quite common for a lot of countries. You have the first 15,000 euro, 3,450 euro, plus the second bracket, the second band, which is 50,000 euro, up to 28,000 euro. And you pay 3,510 euro. And after that, instead of paying 38 euro on all the rest of the brackets, you're going to pay 38 euro only on the differences between 30,000 and 28,000. And if we multiply this for 100 and we divide for the total imposable income, we will have an average fiscal pressure of 25% adopted 2. And this is what we call average IRPEF percentage. Once we have done that, there is another subtraction to make. The gross IRPEF will be subtracted from the tax credit. And the tax credit can be, for example, tax that has been already paid abroad, or some excessive tax paid the year before, and some kind of taxes has to be returned back to the taxpayer, and has to be subtracted with a deduction. But these kind of deduction are called deduction after tax calculation, and in Italian are called detrazioni. So there is a really big difference between deduzioni and detrazioni. Deduzioni are made is a subtraction before taxes, and detrazioni is after taxes, or even better, deduzioni, they reduce the imposable income. Detrazioni, they reduce IRPEF. Indeed, we have in the end the IRPEF net. And the last two steps to take into account is the additional regional tax rate and additional communal tax rate. The regional tax rate could range between 1% and 3%, and multiply for the gross IRPEF, you will get the exact amount of regional tax to pay. And the communal tax rate instead can vary from 0 to 0.9%. And again, you have to multiply this value for the gross IRPEF here, and you get a communal tax. In the end, this is what you're going to pay. So the total tax to pay is IRPEF net plus regional tax plus communal tax. And that's it.
Is this IRPEF too high? Yes, it is. But there are several ways to pay way fewer taxes, and I will talk about it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please share your feedback in the comment below, and please click the button subscribe. Ciao!